to Jamaica. We're almost there. Touchdown and feel the island vibes. Well, it's George's first time in Jamaica, and hopefully he's going to have a blast. We have a lot to look forward to. Food, drink, partying. We're very excited, you know, we're closer to the promised land.
Wow. Okay.
Right? Okay. Yeah. So we're here. What time is it, George?
11:36.
11:36. Awesome. Enjoying yourself so far, George?
Yes.
I don't change
Having
the
a
money.
good
I just
time.
keep going. Everybody,
Relaxing.
you know, they
We have
can
two
go
more
to a place
passengers in the car with us. Are they from New Jersey? My room. We have an outdoor veranda. And this is our view from the hotel. We're right by the water. The view is amazing. This is my room. Pretty big. Got 2 beds. So we're just gonna well, our first night here, and we're having soup and vegetables. Yeah, we're at the bar, chilling and relaxing.
Let me go get some of that coffee. Then I'll be able to appreciate it a little bit better.
Yes, we're gonna get some breakfast. What can I say? George needs his coffee so he can wake up. You know. So far it has been wonderful, right, George?
Wonderful.
Yes, he's enjoying it.
I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah.
A lot.
A lot. So
Just got my feet done, had breakfast.
Yeah.
My sweetie's taking care of me.
So what you had for breakfast now? See if you remember.
I had cabbage with codfish. I had eggs with sausage and cheese. I had, what was the bread again?
Beef.
Corned beef. What was the bread again?
Dumpling.
Dumpling. Which
Fried dumpling.
I love.
Yes, he went
My
back
new
for
favorite
seconds.
for seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun. It was very good.
He loving it. And a lot of fruits.
And a lot of food.
And the papaya, he ate the skin because he didn't know. Look at him chilling. He drinking his Appleton rum. And he loves that sorrel there. It's really good.
Red stripe, baby.
Red stripe sorrel. Just can't drink too much. I get lightheaded quick. Yeah. But we in Jamaica, man. Second day. I'm enjoying my time here in Jamaica. And I must say that it is wonderful. Just making the best of everything in life, you know, because you don't know when your time is up in this life. So every opportunity that you get, you got to grasp onto it. Nothing is promised to any one of us. So I'm glad that I'm here. And there's some salad. It's so good. They make good salad. You know, and country fried chicken. But of course, you know, George have his French fry, right?
Everything a grown boy needs.
Grown boy food. You know, in life you gotta just do what's best for you when you have time or wait for yourself. Right, George? You gotta just enjoy it to the max.
Always.
You know, you can't just let it slip by.
Take advantage. Full advantage of it.
And live in the moment. That's what you always says, right?
Yes, always.
Live in the moment. And we're taking advantage of that. All right.
So,
Yeah, say prayers. Thank you for the food, Lord. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for your help. Thank you for strength. Thank you for making ways for us, Lord, out of ways we do not know. Thank you for everything. Through Jesus, I pray. Amen. That's right. The man always makes sure I pray. and then now he digging in, which is good. You look good wet, Georgie.
Good wet, baby.
Oh,
Good wet and sweaty.
I know what you mean. So
Doing it big in Jamaica.
show me
Booyaka.
how you take off.
Show me how to take off.
Yeah.
Come on.
No. Not that kind of take
Oh,
off,
not
hon.
to take off? Oh, I'm sorry.
No.
Show me how to take off. Okay.
Yeah. Ah, you see that?
Show you how to take off, baby. Thought you would be able to take off. The one you like better than that take off. What up?
Yeah. We're having the time of our life. Just
Taking it, man.
had a lot of vitamin D, and now it got real cloudy. But you know, I'm really enjoying this because this is what life is all about. Living in your moment. Just, you know, enjoying it. Because if you don't, it passes you by.
Big ups.
Yes.
Almost 60, man.
Yeah. 4 more days.
True.
4 more days. A rude boy turns
29.
60.
Boy turns 60.
Yeah, we're gonna go
60.
up to Montego Bay and celebrate that life.
Living that life, man.
Yeah.
Good life. Road less
Amazing.
travel, baby. Big
Wow.
60.
Yeah. Wow. Days going by so nicely. You know, drinking a lot of ting. Yeah. Beautiful. And I'll spend the day back just by the water. And there goes George. Coming with a drink.
Beverages.
Good morning, peeps. Yep, woke up this morning. George, and
Morning.
he didn't eat yet, so his personality didn't wake up.
Morning.
So the water, how beautiful.
Greens and blues and we have to pray.
Yes, let's pray. Amen. Yeah.
Dig in.
Dig in now. See that? Maybe it looks better in the sun.
Beans are
take
very good. They put real tomato in there, look.
Yeah.
Like that.
So George, I just start taping you.
Oh, did you?
So you can talk about your food in Jamaica.
And enjoying my Jamaican breakfast. Plantains, eggs, bacon.
And he loved the beans.
Love the beans.
Beans
Looks
for
like they have
breakfast.
onions, peppers, tomato.
Yeah.
Very good.
Scallion.
Scallions.
Not
No salt, no spice.
Right, not the real spicy pepper. It's like real simple.
No bonnets.
No bonnets. Yeah. Very good.
Very good. Very good.
Oh, and the food last night
Wonderful. You should be here.
was off the chain. Yeah, we had fish with the escovitch sauce. We had jerk chicken, and can't believe they gave us a rum cake
And coconut.
and coconut cake. Oh my God, rice and peas.
Very good.
Oh, it was so good.
Very, very good.
Very good. Oh my God, it was amazing. So we have Margaritaville. I'm having one of them famous sorrel beer. That's right. So George, you're just getting into the grubs of things. Well, we're at 7 Mile Negril today. Very nice. I didn't even walk with my swimsuit, so I just had to take off whatever so I can blend right tea. Take off my stuff and just wear my underwear because it's real hot out here. See? And then George got mangoes and coconut over there. He's coming. He enjoying himself. Look. Huh? Thank you very much.
You told me to squeeze this one.
Yeah, squeeze that one. That's good. You like it, right? It's a number
yeah, it's
11.
good.
Number
good.
11 mango. And George is having his first number 11 mango.
Sweet. Like me.
Oh God! And we just got Neesberry, and George bought coconuts, and we bought the big mango. I think this is beefy mango, but that's a better mango right there. So I just want him to, try the real Jamaican fruit. Yes, and we need to go to the market so you can get the real thing. Because when you eat that kind of stuff, you don't want food. You can see why, right? Yeah, that's good. He can't talk, because he's busy eating.
See what you can find. See what you can find for me, brother. See what you can find for me, okay?
Yeah, come on. Relax.
So how was the water, George?
Good.
Good.
Fine.
I'm glad.
Very fine.
Oh my God. Gotta get the salt water out of my hair. But that felt great. This is breakfast bottled water. So we're having codfish fritters, fried dumplings, callaloo, and we have watermelon, papaya, and pineapples. And Georgie Porgy is having his scrambled eggs with the same thing, codfish fritters with the fried dumplings and callaloo. This is us. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is my swimsuit for the day. This is how George going in his swimsuit. Oh yeah, come here.
Hold on.
That's a nice bag. Oh, not cheap.
Sunny Mile Beach, baby.
Bam. Look what I got today. A bag of tambourine. I know this, Chantel. Ooh, this is it.
Ooh, big ups.
Yup. Yeah. He's partial Jamaican already. He knows no problem. Big up. What a guan. Respect.
Nice.
Yeah, likes everything that I like. That's amazing.
It feels like it got hotter outside. Hello. Goodbye.
It's for taking a picture. Click, click, click. Wow, we're at this real great spot in Negril, in the Negril, and it's called Ivan's Restaurant. Very nice. Very good. Pumpkin
Very
soup.
good. We ain't ate this good all week.
Oh my God. Very good. I finished mine before you. And the greater one. I know.
Shit. With everything.
With everything? Come on, George. Don't say that. Everything?
Everything.
You know, my mind get dirty.
That's what my mind is at. That's why it's dirty.
Well, let's sign off this. So this is our meal for tonight. That is oxtail. Beautiful. And below they give us on a banana leaf with rice and vegetables. Look like cabbage with bok chows and zucchini and a bunch of goodies. And over here, George is having lobster, curry lobster.
With shrimp?
With a little shrimp in there. And his rice. And this is some...
and fish.
And fish. And this is what? Like crispy type of chips.
Yep.
And vegetables. Very nicely laid out. And of course,
Delicious.
we're by water.
Delicious.
You hear the water rushing. Beautiful.